Yesterday, the Senate has accepted Donald Trump's big and beautiful $3.9 trillion tax and spending bill. He also threatened Japan to slap another 30% tariff on goods and services. Now, these two things raises two market themes. As you may guess, the ballooning of the US government deficit and the re-escalation of trade war. The first one is carrying the risk of stagflation because spending is growing, inflation is coming, but the growth is actually not moving as we would expect in the United States, so it's called stagflation. And the trade war, of course, you can expect more de-dollarization or the devaluation of the dollar if this continues. But how are markets going to react to this? Well, you have guessed it right. Yields are going to shoot up and also risk off, which is going to be very beneficial for gold and bad for stocks. When it comes to volatility and risk, remember that Forex is offering a whopping 75% deposit bonus. This is only for AlphaFX subscribers, viewers, and members. You won't find this deal anywhere else. You have to use AlphaFX 75 when you claim your 50% deposit bonus, and this discount code would add another 25%. So for example, if you deposit $1,000, you get $750 returned to your account, and you can Starting off the analysis with the 1 hour gold US dollar spot chart, you can see that gold in the last few weeks have been on a downward trajectory, and recently, yesterday, it came out from this channel. Now, we did manage to catch this 200 or 300 pip downward movement on the pullback, and it looks like that the pullback hasn't stopped yet. And what it looks like, what appears to be, a bull flag outside this downward sending channel. Now, bull flags usually trade in one way. So you find the beginning of the last move, you put the Fibonacci to the beginning of the last move, to the top, and usually bull flags 90% of the time react to the 50% Fibonacci exactly at 3315.420. It doesn't mean that it's going to react now. It could react at the daily pivot, and this is why I entered into a buy position at the current price level. But if it comes back, I'm going to buy the dips. If it comes back into this channel, which is below the bull flag, then I'm going to get out of the positions because something has happened in the market. Now, the big and beautiful tax and spending bill of almost $4 trillion in the next decade reignited the fears of stagflation. And we know that when the market is spooked, gold is going to skyrocket. So my target is around $3,400 for now. But of course, we need to see how the market is reacting and whether the market is accepting my bias. Now, Forex is offering a 75% deposit bonus actually. All you have to do is follow the sign up link below the video and use AlphaFX 75 code. You can't find the 75% deposit bonus anywhere else. It's only for the viewers, for the members, friends and family, and everyone who watches this video. The reason why I'm saying this because this week we have a data-packed day on Thursday. Friday is 4th of July, so NFP and unemployment data and all labor market data is moved to Thursday, when we have also other data such as the jobless claims. And you can see the list is so long. Everyone is focusing on NFP, which by the way last month was a disappointing miss. This is why gold was going up. Now, tomorrow I will be trading NFP with the members and of course the unemployment rate. We're going to analyze all of this data, and I'm going to send out the analysis for the members in the same format as I do every single day, with a macroeconomic narrative. With if I have a front running position, I do send out TP, stop loss, entry at the minute I enter into a position. If you want to follow my trades, if you want to trade with me, go to alphafx.eu and take advantage of the £199 lifetime membership. This is lifetime. You can check it out. I'm not going to talk about it more. Let's have a look on the open positions. So as I said, I'm buying the dips. And you can see that currently my position is in a little drawdown. I have 3 positions, 3 entry positions, which is bang on at the daily pivot. So the maximum I can lose is about 1% of my account, which is £2,000. But if it bounces back, we have more upside potential than downside, exactly because the big and beautiful tax bill. Now, from this perspective, I marked 2 entry points. The first one is at the current price level. The second one is a little bit lower at the 50% Fibonacci in the bull flag. Going back to the chart, you can see that it already started reacting to the daily pivot. Daily pivots are wonderful tools, and if you want to add it to your MetaTrader, to your trading view, just look for standard pivot points or pivot point standard. And if you want to know the settings, come to my Telegram and ask me a question. So I'm long on gold. For indices, I will send out the analysis for the members. Once again, if you want to trade with me on NFP, go and sign up. This is a lifetime membership. As soon as my new website is ready, there will be no lifetime membership, only for £999. So this is your last chance to sign up. So once again, I'm expecting gold to reach 3,400 if the market is confirming my bias. Let's see who's right. This is the AlphaFX.